welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. Today is Mother's Day. I'm going a little off of what I had originally said I was going to do this week for you guys, but it's Mother's Day and a happy Mother's Day to everybody. I just kind of wanted to do something a little bit different and happier. So normally on Sundays or Saturdays, I do my update videos of what's going on with everything in the world, the pandemic, how I'm dealing with it as an ER physician. I will be doing that, I promise. But I just didn't want to do anything heavy today. I feel like today is a day of celebration of some good stuff in our society. And so I wanted to do something fun. These are always my fun videos. People enjoy these. This is my FabFitFun. This is the extra relax Mother's Day type sale that they just kind of threw in the middle of all of this. I did not do a review video on this, but I did order some stuff on here just to kind of give myself a little pamper or relaxation. And so I thought you guys would have fun with me while we go through this. I did work today, and so my face is kind of hurting from my mask, but I don't know. I just feel like putting a video up today. All right. I'm being very random today. So let's just get into here. There is one mystery item. I didn't go super crazy. I didn't spend a fortune on this one. So we'll put this aside. This is my mystery bundle, but I just want to go through a few of the little things here. I think I spent, I spent just a little over $100. So this is not a huge haul. It shouldn't be a long video. But yeah, just some fun stuff here. So the first thing I got here was the Himalayan bath salts by Relaxation. I don't know. When I opened this order, I was like, what was I thinking on some of this stuff? And I think I was very tired when I ordered a lot of this stuff, and I was thinking I wanted stuff that was relaxing. So you'll see, this smells really good. This is a huge thing of bath salts. I've been definitely enjoying baths a little bit more and trying to relax a lot with everything going on. Ooh, and this is a very messy container of bath salts. Trying to open this without making a mess, and I don't think I'll be able to, so I'm gonna hold off doing that, but I can smell it. It has a very strong grapefruit smell, and then as you can see here, it's kind of got these little grainy looking things on here, but yeah, so I thought this would be nice, see how it feels when I soak. I have a lot of bath salts, but this is something that I feel like you can hold on to, and these don't really ever go bad, so that's why, I don't know, I just thought it was a nice thing. So that's that. It's pretty huge and heavy. Next item here is a Summer and Rose piece of jewelry. So opening it up here, and again, this is something that I'm like, I don't know if I just fell asleep or I just thought it was pretty, but I did get this necklace. It is pretty. It is something I'll definitely wear. Obviously, I haven't been wearing necklaces much because of what's been going on. I do actually like wearing necklaces, and pre all this I would wear necklaces to work, but I haven't even been wearing my earrings. I took my earrings off when the start of this pandemic, so I probably won't wear this to work for a while, just in general, but that's really, really cute. And when I start actually going out and about socially, I'll start wearing this. I'm just gonna put this on while we do the rest of this video. I'm going to show up close real quick. As you can see, it's just two little silver bars here. And it looks like that you can make this longer or shorter. I was like, I can't do this without seeing. So if you can see there, I have the box right in front of me, so try to see. Yeah, if you can see, it's really cute. All right, next item here is Alganist. This is the liquid collagen hand cream, and I'm not sure why I got the hand cream versus getting a neck cream, but apparently I really wanted to get the hand cream. My hands have been definitely not having a good time. They're getting beat up by everything. So again, I'm not sure what I was thinking when I ordered this, but I do like this brand. I've tried other things from them. So let's open this up and see. So, oh, that's kind of cool. It's like a pump like this. So let me see what this is like. There's not very much in here. It feels like this will go through pretty quickly. I do like that it's a hand pump there. I feel like that's more hygienic. There's really not much of a smell to it. And oh yeah, that's nice. It is a little watery feeling, but it goes in pretty quickly. And it doesn't have much of a scent. Maybe a little bit almost of like a suntan lotion smell, but that's not bad. All right, so I'll play with that. My hands definitely need a little help and pick me up. All right, next item here is the Stila Convertible Color Dual Lip and Cream Cheek in the color Lithium. I think I've been interested in this product, and so that's why I went ahead and picked it up, even though I'm not playing with a ton of makeup right now. So that is what it looks like. I like cream like products for blushes and stuff, and for lips. That's really pretty. So I feel like this is a color or a product that I thought I would get a lot of use out of. Yeah, I do like that. That's going to be nice for both the cheeks and the lips. It does come with a little mirror. It is a little plastic container. It kind of feels cheap. For Stila, I kind of expect slightly higher quality, but that's still really, really cool and cute. I am definitely glad I picked that up. And then the next item. Oh, before I move on, they did actually put the price of the items here so that I can just tell you guys what I paid for them. So for the Algonist hand cream, this was $14. For the necklace that I'm wearing, it was $9. For the Stila, this was $10. And then for the Relax Grapefruit, this was $9. This came in for free, and I actually don't remember putting this as something, but I guess anyone who bought a certain amount got this. This is the Stimulation Nitty Gritty Face and Body Polish, which I'm always game for this kind of item. I'm not going to open it just yet, but it does seem to have a really nice smell from what I can smell through. So this is the item. I'll play with this eventually when I get around to it. I just have other body products that I want to get to first. And then I also bought this. This is the Christopher Robin shampoo and conditioner set. I have some of their other products that I do like. I've gotten some of their hair masks and stuff, and I think they're very nice products. So I wanted to try these out. These are for fine, color treated or natural hair. Obviously, I don't color treat my hair. It has, ooh, it smells like roses. And this one, these both smell like roses. So if you don't like roses, you may not like this. But anyway, I wanted to try this shampoo. I'm almost out of my other shampoo. I'm working through all different shampoos, but I'm washing my hair a lot with everything going on. So this I thought would be fun to try. This duo is $29. All right, and then the last single item I bought before we go over the mystery item is this. This is Simply Whimsical. We've gotten some of their stuff in a previous box. And we got tea towels, and I really like the tea towels that I've had from them. I bought extras and use them all the time. And so I wanted to get some other Simply Whimsical stuff. This is the Simply Whimsical Naples Apron Towel and Oven Mitt Bundle. That's $29. And so I thought this would be cute because we're doing a lot more cooking in recently. And I thought it'd be fun to have a couple new things here. So they do have these little things, which are kind of impractical. But this is your kitchen towel. Very, very fiesta themed. If you are at all in San Antonio area, you know what I'm talking about. If not, it's just a fun celebration that's usually in the springtime. This is the oven mitt. Super cute little flower there. And then this is the apron here, which I actually am probably going to hold and give the apron to my mother. Well, I'll open it. I'm going to hold off. I think I'm going to give this as a gift to my mother. Her birthday and my birthday are tomorrow. And so I wanted to pack her up a goodie and drop it by her house. We usually celebrate our birthdays together, but obviously with quarantining and everything, we are not going to be hanging out like we normally do. We're still socially isolating, although things are opening up. And so really when we see each other, it's either FaceTiming or dropping stuff off at each other's house and saying from 6 feet away, waving and saying hello. So, all right, this is my mystery bundle from this, and let's see how we did. So the first item here is the En Vogue Essentials Super Soft Luxe Plush Throw. I was actually really excited about this. I feel like you can never have enough blankets, probably because we just have a ton of blankets. The dog does tend to destroy blankets after a while when she gets her hands on them or her mouth on them. My daughter commandeers them, so I feel like every time I get a new blanket, about a month later, I need a new one. This is super cute, and I may put this in my daughter's room because it is so adorable, and it matches her decor. It's got little llamas with pink detailing on them. How cute is that? And little flowers here. This is really soft and really nice. Very, very cute. Like, not something I would have normally bought because of all the llamas, but totally giving this to my daughter. She's gonna love this. So that's the first item in here. The next item I saw, and I was super excited because I know I'm gonna use this, and this is an expensive item. This is the Aki hair turban, and I actually have this in the same color. It always comes with like a little rubber band on the top. And then, so there's the hair towel and there's the hair turban from them, and I like the hair turban. And the hair turban has the little button, and it has the little hook, and I use these things like crazy, especially as my hair gets longer, and I've been growing out my hair recently. I actually started growing out my hair before the quarantining, but it kind of just progressed, and I'm going to continue growing my hair out. So anyway, this is really cool. I love this. I use these after every shower, and again, I've been going through mine more crazy because I've been washing my hair a lot more. So these things are great. You put your hair in it, you twist it, you put it up, and it dries out your hair really quickly. All right, the final item in here, or no, there's two more. So this one I've seen in sales. It's a lot smaller than I expected. This is the Gold Infused Illuminator by Billion Dollar Beauty. And look how little, this is how little it is. I don't know, I was expecting it to be bigger. So it looks like my safety seals in my cap there, but let's just put a little bit on here and see what this looks like. So this is something I think you can mix in with your moisturizer, or you can put it under your foundation. Again, I don't wear foundation that often, so it'd be something I'd mix in with my moisturizer. It's supposed to give you just kind of like a glow. That's not bad. It's not overwhelming. It just gives like a little goldish like tint or glow. You can barely see it on the camera. This I might actually use. It's not like overwhelmingly glittery like I do find, but this is little tiny. If you guys ever buy this in a future sale, I feel like this might be in the current sale going on right now for add-ons. All right, and then the final item in here is the Caitlin Dissolve It Makeup Melt Cleansing Balm. I like cleansing balms when I do wear makeup or I play with it. I use cleansing balms to remove the makeup first. I double cleanse. I use a cleansing balm. Right now I'm using the, what is it? I'm blanking on the name of which one I'm using right now, but I'm using one cleansing balm right now, so I'm always up for using another cleansing balm. It does come with the little applicator spatula, which I totally appreciate, because one of the things about reaching into the cleansing balms is if you don't have that applicator, they kind of get gross on the inside. And this is what it looks like. It looks like your typical cleansing balm. This one has almost like a strawberry scent to it. It smells really nice and fresh. So I am curious about how this one will work compared to the other ones that I'm using. So that is my mystery bundle. I totally thought that this mystery bundle was a hit. The only thing I was a little worried about was this, and I think this is actually something I will be able to use, so I'm excited, but totally worth the $29 for that mystery bundle. The other items I got, like I said, I don't know if I was just tired when I went through that sale, or I don't know. I bought some weird items for me, but I'm actually really excited to try all of them. Oh, my hands feel really good after that. So this Alganist feels really good right now on my hands, but yeah, so those are my items. I know I'm really rambly today, but I'm okay. All right, guys, so that is it. That is the items I got. I am curious about when I'm going to get my summer box and my add-on items. If you guys haven't checked out those previous videos, my last two videos are FabFitFun. I feel like everything is FabFitFun. But that's what happens. They put out a lot of stuff and then I don't do anything FabFitFun for a while because we don't get anything. But yeah, check out those videos if you haven't already. I'll post them up above or down below as always. Again, I'm not sponsored. I don't get anything from FabFitFun. So, you know, this is all out of my own money, but yeah, anyway, that's it. So I mentioned in a previous video that I have my last month's box products that I tried on. I just need to edit that video. I will get that up hopefully on Monday or Tuesday. And then on Monday, I will try to do a live video probably at 9 or 10 o'clock at night where I go over kind of the latest greatest about the pandemic and coronavirus, COVID, whatever you want to call it, the Rona, and on my thoughts on it and how things are going now that at least where I'm at, which is Texas, is opening up, and kind of where I foresee us going with it. So if you're interested, I will post up that tomorrow, so you guys can, you know, watch. It'll be live. I try to answer questions as I go along and everything like that. So, all right, guys, that is it. I will see you later, and bye.